So the first step, what we have to do whenever you get a distribution, we have to locate the median class. To find the median class, what we have to do? Total frequency or number of observations divided by 2. That straight to that which class is given, take that as median class. Then we have to apply the formula. In this, one more thing is there. We have to find cumulative frequency. In the previous example also, we did cumulative frequency. Then we got the item. Same way, here what you have to do, n by 2 you have to find which class it is locating, which class in the sense, you know that 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like that classes will be given. So in this particular number, it is located in which class, you have to find out. Now in this, what you have to do, get the lower limit of that median class, then frequency of that particular median class. So it is related to median class. You have to take lower limit of the median class. You have to take frequency of that median class. This is of that particular median class. Okay. Then what? Then another one, what you have to do, I told that we have to find cumulative frequency. Now, in this cumulative frequency, which number you have to take? If, for example, this is the median class and CF you got 2, 3, 4. If this is the numbers, it is, oh, I'm talking about CF, not frequency. Frequency is given, not given. Okay, just understand. Median class is this one. That class frequency you should not take. Okay, you should take the previous one preceding. This one you should take. So everywhere there is a chance that we make a mistake on this particular area. Cumulative frequency, what you have to take, what here it is given, that CF, that is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is the median class. So this number you should not take, preceding one you should take. All of you got, I feel. Now, H is equal to magnitude of the median class interval, in the sense that width, or that what is the class interval. There will be a gap between these two numbers. That width or magnitude you have to take, that is what H. Okay. So the formula for finding median is equal to L plus, that is the lower limit, N by 2 minus CF, and CF I told you what it is. Next, F into H. This is the formula to get the median. Now, here, this is an example for finding median for the ungrouped data. So before that, I will show you one example. Okay. Now, if the numbers are like this, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, it is an example for you. Okay. No need to copy it down. 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency is 2, 4, 5, 4, 2. What you have to find next? Just you can put it in the chat box. What you should do? Put it in the chat box. We have to apply, you have to get things from the, okay, N by 2 CF. Both are correct. Okay. N by 2, what is N now here? Find out. That is N is equal to CF. I want everyone to find the CF for this. How much you got for N? That is 17. Okay. So 17 by 2. What is the answer? 17 by 2.
8.5.
She can't hear. Type it in the chat.
Seventeen by 2, how much? That is 8.5. Okay, so you got N by 2 here. Okay. Another cumulative frequency. I will ask each one by one. Just put it in the chat box. What is the answer? First one, what will come? Here, what will come? Sanam, what will come in the first one? Just put it in the chat box. Cumulative frequency, the first one. You were not there in the previous class? Okay, Kevin. In the cumulative frequency, what will be the first one? Okay, Abhiram, you are correct. First one, it will be 2. Okay, first one, it will remain same. This will be same. We are going to add up now. Okay, cumulative, we are going to take cumulative frequency here. Next one, Rahul, can you tell? I showed you something like this. For cumulative frequency, you just write like this, you will be getting the answer. What is that? 6, correct. Okay, so you got 6 here. Next one, second. For second one, you got 6. Anish, can you put it in the chat box? Next one. CF is like when you are writing the first one, when you are finding the CF, the first one will come as the same. Next one, you will add like this. You will add like this. Next, what is the number? You will add like this. Like that, you will be getting. Okay. So here, next, it is 11. Correct. Okay. So 6 plus 5. Take it as 11. Next one. 11 plus 4, how much it is? 15, right? Next one, 15 plus 2, that is 17. I told you before also, the last number will be the same as the total number of the frequencies. Okay. So 17. Now you got the CF also. Now we are going to apply this in the formula. What is the formula here? Sorry. What is the formula? L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay, now what is N by 2? We already got before. Oh, yeah. Before that, one more thing. L is equal to, what is L now? 8.5 is the N by 2. So 8.5 is located where? Thus, we have to find from the cumulative frequency. 8.5 is located in which model class? The previous one we did like that only. I'll just show once. You have done one like this, right? Yeah, in this, what is that? 10.5th observation you got. And what you did, this 10.5 is coming in which area of the cumulative frequency you checked. Okay. Is it coming in 2? No. In 6? No. 10.5th observation will come in the 16th number. So that is taken as the model number. Okay. Here, what are we doing? In this, we got 8.5. So 8.5 comes in which median class? That will come in, will it be included in 6? No. That will be included in 11th one. So this number, straight to that, which class is coming, that will be taken as the model class. Vinay, you are correct. So this is the model class. Okay. Now next, apply this in the formula. Lower limit of this model class, what is that number? What is the number? Anyone? Lower limit is 20. This model class lower limit is 20. Okay. So 20 is taken plus n by 2 we got already here before, that is 8.5. What is cumulative frequency here? Please put it in the chat box. Cumulative frequency. It is 6. I told you we have to take the number preceding the model class. Okay, so this is the model class. So their cumulative frequency, we cannot take that number. We should take a preceding number. So preceding number is 6 divided by F. What is F here? 17 into H. What is H? That is the width of the class interval. What is the number here? Put it in the chat box fast. $10. Okay, so 10 will come. Solve it now, everyone. What will be the answer? Abhiram, solve it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you just tell the answer? Did you get? Yes or no? You can tell. Just let me see whether your voice is coming or not.
No.
Okay. Okay, is it okay? Let everyone complete. Those who got the answer, you can put it in the chat box. Oh, just wait. One more thing is there. Yes, Sayuja. Okay, so here 20 plus 2.5 into 2, that is 5. You will be getting answer 25. All of you got that frequency? It's not 17, that it is a 7 frequency of the model class we have to take. Okay, always where F is there, we used to take the sigma F. That's why that it has come like that 17, but it is not. F means frequency of that model class. So once more, this is a question related to that, marks out of 50, and frequencies are given. Next step, you have to find CF. Here 2, the same number will come. Then add 6, add 11, 15, 17. Here 17. So CF we got. And now we have to find the model class. How to find the model class? Total divided by 2 is equal to 8.5. Find out where this 8.5 is located in the cumulative frequency. So it is located in this number 11. Straight to that, what class is there? This will be considered as the median class. Now we got lower limit. Okay. Lower limit is equal to 20 plus 17 by 2. N by 2 means 8.5. Cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. Okay, that is 6 divided by f of the particular model class, frequency of particular model class, that is 5 into width of the class interval, that is 10. Okay, so once more, please understand what all things we have taken into consideration. First thing, we have to get the model class. How to get the model class? N by 2. Find the model class, lower limit, take that. Then what you have to do in the cumulative, you know how we are getting the model class. From that, we are taking lower limit. Then N by 2, already we have got, that is 8.5. 6, how we are taking? Model class cumulative frequency we are not taking, but the preceding one, just before that one we are taking, divided by f, that is frequency of the model class, into 10, how we got, that is class intervals width. Okay. Next one. This is another question. Just find out the answer for this. Daily wages are given. How to take median, or how to calculate median? You write x, f like that. This way you write, otherwise it will be difficult for you to get the classes, and we may make mistake to in taking the cumulative frequency and all. Okay. Write down the question. Arrange it in a proper manner. First thing, it will be better to arrange in ascending order. Otherwise, when we take cumulative frequency, we will make mistake. So better arrange this in the ascending order. Anyone?
160.
160. So n by 2. What is n by 2?
80.
Yeah. It's equal to 160 by 2. equal to 80. Did you get the cumulative frequency? I will ask you. The first one, Kevin, what will be the first one?
Ma'am, 14.
14, the same as 14. Okay. Second one, Sanam,
42.
42. Okay. Now third one, Pranav,
75.
75. Fourth one, Rahul,
105.
105. Fifth one, Sayujya,
125.
125. Vinay, sixth one,
140.
140. Krishnakanti, next one,
153.
153. And Alan, last one, Hmm?
160.
160. So we got the cumulative frequency. Okay. Now we have to apply this in the formula. 80. 80 comes in which cumulative? 80 number comes in which cumulative frequency, Anish? Hmm?
105.
Okay, so 105. So that we have to take as the model class here. So 105, the 80 number comes. So which one is the model class? That is 350 to 400, right? Now apply that. And one more thing, remaining, you know that which number comes as a cumulative frequency? Kevin?
Ma'am, the preceding cumulative frequency.
Preceding number. What is that number?
75.
75. Okay. So here we are writing the formula before that L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. L is what now? Pranav?
350.
350. N by 2? What is N by 2?
80.
80. What is the CF? What is CF?
75.
75. What is F? F is what? Anyone?
40.
Huh? 30. F is the frequency of the model class. Okay. So 30 into what is H? Vinay, what is H?
50.
50. Correct. Okay. Now solve it. Anybody got the answer? The median daily wage is how much? Anybody got the answer? Just tell.
Ma'am, I got
What is that answer?
358.3.
358.3. That's correct one. 3. I'll show the next slide. See, to get the cumulative frequency, we have to arrange that in the ascending order. Otherwise, we cannot wait. It is not easy to take the cumulative frequency. So it should be arranged in the ascending order. All of you completed? Abdul Aman? Alan Thomas?
Present, ma'am.
Alan Verghese?
Present, ma'am.
Anish?
Present, ma'am.
Aparna?
Present, ma'am.
Krishnakanti?
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Nunni? Naveen? Akshay?
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra?
Present, ma'am.
Pranav?
Present, ma'am.
Rahul?
Present, ma'am.
Roseanne? Sayuja?
Present, ma'am.
Vinay?
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu? Abhiram?
Present, ma'am.
Abhijit? Abhilash?
Present, ma'am.
Amal? Basuri? Kevin?
Present, ma'am.
Omar? Sanam?
Present, ma'am.
Sandra? Okay then, bye everyone. Next period will continue. Okay, thank you.